Broad Reels.
Nano po lagi?
My name is Jian.
Nano pong title na ni kayong mural po?
So, the title of our mural is Kaluksong Kamaru, wherein we are showcasing the different various of cultures and festivals happening here in Magalang, Pampanga. Here in our mural, we have the Kamaru Dancer, which will be held on Thursday on August 22. The main point here is the Carabao, because 70% of the population here in Magalang is farming yung pangunahing pamumuhay. We are representing PSA.
PSAU. So, last na lang po. Ano pong tips niyo po sa mga aspiring artists po?
So, I have 3 tips. Tips. Charot!
Nano po lagi?
Kian po.
Nano niya pong grouping represent niyo po?
Magalang Institute po. Ay yung po mural po namin ay yung topic po namin ay pinapakita po namin yung progreso ng Magalang at yung mga napatunayan na po ng ating mga